Dashboard administrators now have the ability to disable dashboard users. This feature can be used in situations where staff are off sick, on annual leave, or perhaps on maternity leave. Disabling a user is essentially switching off the user's access to the dashboard, which means they're unable to access the dashboard, and it's also a way of making sure nothing is assigned to that user while they're off work. When you disable a user, their name will no longer appear in the assigned metrics. You'll see on the User Access tab there's a new column, Enabled. To disable a user, you select their display name, and in the top right corner, select Disable User. When you go back to the User Access overview, you can see there's now a red cross in the Enabled column. To enable the user again, you just perform the same steps by clicking on their name and then select Enable User. We've also built in a safety feature which tells you if the user you're disabling has any forms assigned to them. As you can see in this example, the system has told us we cannot disable the user because the user has one or more episodes assigned to them. In this scenario, you would need to go to the Assigned Summary, select the user, and assign their task to another user. You can then go back to User Access and disable the user.